Guys, in this video you'll be learning how to create this particular photo editing mockup using PixelLab. So I got a question in one of my WhatsApp community on how you can create it. That is why I'm creating this video on how you can create this particular photo editing mockup with PixelLab and with your smartphone. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So now I'll go over to my PixelLab right here now and we'll begin the tutorial. If you are new to the channel, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and share this video to your creative friends. Now let's get right into the business of today. So for to create this particular mockup and photo editing using your PixelLab, you need three particular elements. You need a t-shirt background, a t-shirt and your profile picture or profile Facebook you want to use, and also you'll be needing your PixelLab to create this. So when we go on with this video, you will understand what I'm talking about. So first of all, you need to bring in your mockup, your t-shirt mockup. So I will leave a link in the description on how you can get this particular shirt mockup I'm about to import to PixelLab. So go over to background, go to from gallery, and I'm sure you've downloaded it. So this is the mockup we want to use, this shirt mockup that I want to use for this video. So we'll be starting with this white shirt mockup like this. So this is what we'll be using now. So this is it over here. So you make sure you have downloaded this particular t-shirt model, this particular t-shirt mockup to your gallery, then you import it to PixelLab. So the next thing now, you need to bring in either your Facebook. You must have screenshot your Facebook or profile, just like the one I'm about to bring in also. So when you have this now, go over to bring from gallery, and I'll show you a screenshot of one of my profile Facebook profile picture or any other profile picture I've screenshotted. So this is it over here now. So I will crop this a little bit. I'll just crop it. I'll take out the unneeded parts that I don't need, like this now. So this is it I want to use. So when you have this right now, just have to increase the size a little bit, and make sure it fits to that shirt, to the shirt mockup you have right over here now. So after you have this now, the next thing you need to do now is to bring this particular shirt mockup we just used for the background. So go over to from gallery. We will go for gallery. Remember, the first one we use it as a background. So this second one we'll bring in as a picture. We'll bring it as a picture, not as a background. So this is it over here now. So when you have this now, so just increase the size. Go over to relative size. Take the weight and everything to 100 like this. So when you get like this now, you have something like this. So just follow through everything I'll show you now. So the next thing is to go over to erase color like this. Enable the erase color, and you should have something like this. So if your own does not bring it like this, just make sure you select a color on the shirt, and when you have it like this, just increase the tolerance to whatever you have right over here now. So when you have this also, you need to go over to that picture, to this picture now, and try to increase you need to take out the whitish color from it also. So when you enable that picture, the screenshot, just enable the erase color, and you should have something like, so you can increase the tolerance or reduce the tolerance. So let's try to increase the size of that screenshot, and okay, we have this now. So let me centralize the screenshot. So you just have to place it around this now. So we have something like this. Can you see what we have right now with this? Can you see how we are able to create a mock-up on a t-shirt like this? So you can easily go over to this first one like this and try to increase or reduce the tolerance so the clothes won't show. Okay, so this is it over here. This is it over here. So can you see how you can able to create that particular mock-up I showed you earlier? So this is how you can do this right on PixelLab. So let me show you how you can use it on a black shirt also. So let's cover this up. So go over to your background again. Click from gallery and bring in a t-shirt with for this one we're using a black one like this. So I'll pick on this black t-shirt. Remember, I said I'll leave a link in the description to show you where I downloaded this particular images. So I use freepik.com, so you can check it out on Freepik and just type a black or white shirt hanged on an hanger. So you have something like this. So when you have this now, the next thing, just like the previous one, bring in from gallery again your screenshot, your Facebook profile screenshotted. So this is my screenshot. So I selected this black one also. So I will crop this a little bit also. So let me crop this a little bit. So let's leave it like this now. So when you have this now, so you can just let me crop again. So let's crop again. So you have this now. Let me leave it like this. Okay, so you can also give me a follow on Facebook. If you can see it, there will be a link in the description if you want to follow me also on Facebook, so you can follow me, and we are good to go. Okay, just centralize the screenshot like this. Centralize the screenshot like this now. So bring in the your mock-up t-shirt like earlier again. Bring in your mock-up t-shirt. So I have it here in download. So I'll bring it right now, and I'll just increase the relative size to 100. Increase it to 100, and I have something like this. So the next thing now is to go over to erase color, enable the erase color, and pick that particular black color like this. Pick a particular black color like this, and you have something like this. So go over to that screenshot, go to relate this again. So take out the black color also, take out the black color also, increase the tolerance like this, increase the tolerance like this, and okay, I think it's trying to. Okay, so we have something like this. So can you see what we have over here? So we've been able to create a photo editing mockup and on using PixelLab. So you can use it for any of your profile, whether Facebook, Instagram. Just follow through this process and you will have something like this. So this is what I want to show you. This is what I want to show you in this video. If you find this helpful, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you share this video to your creative friends. And you can also you can also follow me on every social media platforms. I'll be leaving a link in the description. Please kindly do so and begin to enjoy a lot of my content on other platforms. So thank you for watching this video. See you at the next video.